Hello and welcome to How to Design a Pageant Sash on the Sash Company Sash Designer. So first you're going to type in the Sash Company on your web browser. It'll then take you to this page and it should be the first link to pop up, the Sash Company's corporate event and sashes and stoles. You will then click Design Your Own Sash on the top right corner. On this page, you will get to choose the Greek grad stole, pageant sash, or award and event sash template that you would like to create on your own. For this one, we're going to click Pageants because we are going to create a homecoming queen sash. So let's do an adult size for now. You can also choose between a child size. We will do an adult standard just to show you guys how we are making these. If you would like to choose another size, here are the dimensions as well. So now it'll take you to this page where you're going to choose some colors, some borders for your sash. So go ahead and we'll choose a base color, which is going to be the main color of the sash. So these are a variety of colors that we have, and let's go ahead and we'll do a royal blue for this sash as the base color. And let's do a single border as well. So the single border is going to be the border that's on the outside of the sash. And we'll go ahead and do a silver gray. So now we'll go ahead and we'll do our rhinestones because I want to have rhinestones on this sash. So we can do a single row front and back, which is going to look like this with rhinestones on the front and back of the sash, or a single row not on the back, which is going to look like that. So for this sash, I want to do a single row front and back. So once you have that selected, let's go ahead and click Next. It's time to choose the embroidery color and the text that you will be putting on your sash. So let's do embroidery color of a metallic silver. We have metallic choices you can choose. Let's do a metallic silver. And we have 4 fonts that you can also decide upon between Times New Roman, block lettering, Zaf Chancery, or script. Let's go ahead and do script because it is more elegant for this title. So let's do a silver queen 2. You can add a symbol in the top. You can also choose between a gold queen or a silver king and a gold king. These are going to be our metallic colors up in the top, just like so. However, for this one, we are going to do a silver queen because we are creating a homecoming queen sash. And you can also add symbol text under it, which normally is the year. So now we can do our custom text, and let's do CHS, which is Claremont High School, our local high school, and we'll do homecoming queen. Don't worry about the text fitting perfectly on the website page because our experts will resize it to fit the sash perfectly. So if it does look smaller, don't worry about it. So now we can go next, and it's going to be our final page, which is going to be a layout of everything that you've just done. You can go ahead and share it on Facebook, Twitter, or mail it off to some people to get their ideas about it. And if you like it, you can go ahead and order now. And after this step, you're just going to follow the prompts between shipping, payment, and finally the end. And there you have it, folks. This is the sash that we just created with the text resized to fit the sash perfectly. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and have a good one. Bye-bye.